Hi, I'm Lanny Worley from Worley's Auto Service Center.
And I am Stephen Worley, and today we're going to show you how to take a compression test using your Snap-on Verus scope.
Well, Steve, let's get started right away.
We have the trigger and the secondary ignition pickup. We're going to put them both on number 1 wire because it seems to work best that way.
I would take that out.
Okay. You can edit it however you want. This too you can take out. Okay, so we have them both hooked up. Okay. Then we're going to take your amps clamp and we're going to hook that up. We're going to put it around the negative side since that seems to be the most
Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to set it up. We're going to go to Scope, Multimeter. We're going to go to Lab Scope. We're going to go to DC Volts. We are going to take it up to the minimal screen so we can control what we want to do right on the screen. We have channel 1. We have that as test lead. We have it at 500 millivolts, and we have display. You may have to hit invert depending on where your reading is. If you have the amps clamp on properly or if it's not on the opposite way. Let's get out of there. We also have filter on. And that's going to be it for that. Channel 2. Oh, took that off. Channel 2. Now, on channel 2, we're going to have that ignition. 20 kV. Peak detected. I'm going to have it on inverted and display. Have it there. We have the time set at 1 second. Take that back. And I think we have everything set up there. Always remember to turn your amps clamp on. Alright. Let's crank and see what we have. Okay. We come over, pause the screen. I go over to the zoom in and zoom out. We're going to zoom out to the max. And we'll move that over to the center. And as you can see, it zooms out as far as it can, which I'm not really sure on how far it's zooming out. But it makes a curtain pattern, what I call it. And you can see what's happening. This pattern will help you on crank sensors, cam sensors, where you go on a road test and you want to bring the pattern all together so you can see any kind of dropouts and then blow it up and go to that segment of the screen. Now let's go down to ×4 zoom. Then we need to find the pattern again, and there we have it. Now we have your fire in here. This is your trigger. We have 1, 6, 5, 4, as you can see, is dropped out. I just blew it up by touching the screen. 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a 99 Blazer. So the firing order is 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can see right there how you have the dropout where it's not pulling the amps, it's just dropping down. And that's how you find which cylinder has no compression or low compression within less than a minute.